Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum bachcho. Today we will discuss refraction of water waves in a ripple tank. First I will show you the side view of the ripple tank. In this ripple tank I will put a glass slab. I will be discussing situation A in order to vary the depth of water. The glass slab will divide the water inside the ripple tank into two mediums. One is the shallow water. This is medium 1. The other one is the deep water. This is the medium 2. Now I am showing you the top view of the refraction phenomena in the ripple tank. This will appear on the screen of the ripple tank. Now you can see that this is the boundary between deep and shallow water. Here the water is shallow and here the water is deep. This is the portion which is having the glass slab in it. Now you can see that these lines, they are having more distance between them. This distance shows the wavelength. Here the wavelength is more. In the shallow water you can see that the distance is becoming smaller, the wavelength is less. Also here the speed will be, in deep water the speed will be faster, but in the shallower water the speed will be slower. So this pattern will be observed on the screen, through which we have concluded the important point. The third thing is the frequency. The frequency depends upon this portion. As throughout the experiment this vibrator is producing the waves and its frequency is remaining constant. So in shallow water the frequency of the waves and in deep water the frequency of the waves, they are same because they depend upon this vibrator. The speed of waves or water waves depend upon the depth of the water. In deep water it is more, in shallow water it is less. It is observed in the ripple tank. Also you can observe it in the oceans as well. The water is very speedy in the depth of the ocean, but when the water comes to the seashore it slows down. The second thing is the wavelength. In deep water wavelength is more, in shallow water the wavelength is less. It can be seen in the ocean as well. In the deep waters there are very big waves, heighted waves, but when they come to the shallow water they convert into smaller waves. In case of the ripple tank, the frequency of the waves will remain same. What is the reason? The reason is this: both the waves, either they are greater one or the smaller one, they are created by the vibrator or the motor pedal of the ripple tank, which is having the same frequency throughout. This is the actual picture of the ripple tank, in which a glass slab is now placed at some angle in order to create the refraction. Shallow water, and this portion is the deep water. You can again see that these are the wave fronts which are incident on this boundary. Now if you draw a ray like this will show you the direction of motion of the waves. This is the normal with the boundary. This incoming ray is making an angle of I with the normal. This angle is known as angle of incidence. If there would have been no boundary, these waves must have gone straight, but because of this boundary you can see that these are the waves in the shallow water. Now if you draw a line perpendicular to the wavefront, this will be the direction of motion. You can see that instead of going like this, the waves have changed their direction. By how much amount or angle they have changed their directions, we will proceed with the same normal. Here the angle between this ray and the normal is the angle of refraction. Angle of incidence is different and angle of refraction is different. You can see from the diagram that angle of incidence is greater and angle of refraction of water waves is smaller. So now in this case the waves are also changing their directions. We'll define the refraction of wave now. When a wave from one medium enters into the second medium at some angle, its direction of travel may change. You can divide this definition into parts. First part, when a wave from one medium, second part, enters into the second medium. Next part, at some angle, its direction of travel changes. In this case of water waves, first medium was the deep water, second medium was the shallow water. I have also shown you how it can be entering at an angle, and you have observed that change in the direction as well. In ocean, refraction is occurring in the deep waters.